2008.
Then our luck to get neck problems because of the, what do you call that thing?
Hi.
Hash. Hello.
Ready for college?
Not yet. Huh?
Showroom engine.
Oh.
Stay at tortillas. My boy, these stay at tortillas. Boy, these are not enchiladas.
Ollie, cook something, please.
Cook something?
We're hungry. Okay.
Dinner service.
Thank you. Ollie, let's go to the 592 square foot home. Let's go.
Huh? What?
592 square foot home. Let's go. Ooh, it's nice in here. Okay.
$54.99 for the house. Wow.
Dang it, for the whole house? Here, take the octopus.
Make them on that train.
Someone's gonna get mad. Ollie! I don't know why I got so excited just now. Just because of the shower. Just because it has a shower. Hey. I was just, getting ready. About to do some work on my computer.
Welcome to my home.
Oh, this is your home?
This is, we're on MTV Cribs.
We are? I was gonna say.
Welcome to my home. It's about 100 square feet. This is my partner, and my
He left.
See you next week, guys.
I'm Sophia, and this is MTV Cribs. Check it out. Yes, by the way, I do have a Roku TV. I know you're jealous. Flowers, kitchen, don't mind the dishes. Oliver was just about to pick something up. He keeps on disappearing, I don't know where he is. This is my bed over here. My bed over here where I get ready. I don't know why it's such a mess. I didn't make this mess.
Your socks. Oh, these are your outfits?
Gabby.
Oh, that's us.
No.
Oh!
Oh my god.
This friggin'.
You called the paparazzi. You called the paparazzi. No, I know you did.
No,
You just
no
want a
photos,
picture
no
with me.
photos, no photos.
You definitely
please.
called the paparazzi.
No photos. Do you want no autographs, no autographs, please.
In your new crib. Oh, I was recording somehow.
This is pretty comfortable. Oh, look, Ollie, a puzzle just for you.
A puzzle? Oh, puzzle. Oh, it's good.
Is that a real iPad?
No, probably not. Actually.
That's so sad.
57 days? Jesus, look, come here. 57 days into my baby comes home.
That's so sad.
Dude, what are you doing?
I want
want to make a new word.
Poopy butt cat home.
Oh, they're stuck. I can't take it out.
No doubt.
Main forest Starbuck. Papa. Far, far. Far more. What is this? Mama. Pour de la sang sin no nonsense.
This is my chair. That one's too small. I'm scared. Oh, it's fine. Oh, I'm fine.
Because you're leaning against the wall.
Of course it's cute because it's a kid's room. Only kids are allowed to have fun.
Look at this one. Do you think I can fit all the way?
Oh!
Wait, no, do it again. Do it again. I want close.
Don't trust
No, I'm
him,
not.
Gabby.
Move.
You're gonna spin me. Oh my god. That goes so much faster than you're gonna go. It's tight in there. Ouch.
I don't think I could fit in here.
Duck your head.
Wait, Gabby.
This hurts.
Can you fit?
Record.
Ah!
Ollie, I know you're cooking us this chicken, but can you put some seasoning on it, please?
Dinner is served.
Wait. This is not the dinner. This is the dinner?
Dinner is served. What are you cooking up?
Today I'm cooking up some tacos. I've got some peppers that I'm about to chop with this knife. I've got some seasoning. I've got some fajitas up in there. I'm making nothing in there. So that's what I'm cooking.
Okay. What do you have over here?
Got all my utensils that I use in my kitchen that I cook. By the way, look at my stained glass. That's real. It's real.
Wow.
Paid a lot for that. Gabby, is that your pool?
Oh wow. I'm rich.
You are rich. What the heck?
I don't like this.
No, wait, are those tamales?
Yeah, look.
Oh my god, they're tamales. What are you chefing up, boy?
Like, boy, I'm cooking some A5 Wagyu right here. Cooking some A5 Wagyu. Got some.
It's juice, right?
Yeah. About to clean up. Yeah. Got a mocajete. Got some peas. In my fridge, got berries, some spaghetti.
Are you allergic to berries?
Some juice, more pasta, and I got my plates. Then there's my pup, my mom and dad.
That's your mom and dad?
Whatever this is.
Gabby, no way they got the Mona Lisa in here.
Cookie?
Thank you. Do you want to go see the Mona Lisa?
Let's go.
Let's go.
One in a lifetime chance.
I know. We made it. We can see the Mona Lisa here.
I'm gonna touch her.
Oh. Gabby, you're not allowed to touch it.
Go, go, go. Cucumbers?
Oh, what's up? Here with my dishwasher. Mom, kitchen is over here. Kitchen is over here.
On air. Wait, what's going on?
Boy, this is my streaming / recording setup. Look, I got my chair, cup holder, my mouse, keyboard, my dog. That's my dog.
I thought the other one was your dog.
No, that's my DAWG.
Oh, okay.
My headphones, light, phone holder, some other decoration, League of Call of Super Bros. I have this in case I have storage. There's my PC right there. There's my dog bed. There's my view. And yeah,
It's a terrible view.
Like, boy, you're a terrible you. Sweet dreams.
I need this.
What is this?
Air purifier.
What does it do?
Purify.
What do you mean, like purify?
Wait. Sir. Sir. Sir.
Dude, can I have some
Sir.
privacy? Dude, get out of here. Who's calling me? Dude, who is potential spam? This number has called me like 2 times, I think. The heck? Is it the same?
Hello. But this little chongo was in the Vanilla Mason video when she went to IKEA. Look! Wait, I have to recreate it.
Are you talking about this little chungo?
It's this guy. We're at the kitchen and we're about to get some Swedish meatballs. So let's see, I'll show you what we get.
Kind of dead here. I'm gonna get my blueberry.
Ooh.
Thank you, honey. That's okay.
We
What's
just
up,
ate
guys?
at the cafeteria.
We
I got
just
some
ate,
meatballs and
I
some
mean,
mac
we're
and
always
cheese.
eating though.
We are always eating in these vlogs.
Yeah.
We really don't do anything else but eat. Really. We're waiting to go to the lighting section. We're in the college essentials section right now. What did you think about the food?
Pretty good.
They have this really good raspberry soda.
Yeah, the raspberry soda is really good. I keep forgetting to look here, and I look in the soda.
Boy, that's a michelada. Boy, that weighs nothing.
I low-key have always wanted one of these because they look so they look nicely shaped.
Oh, look at these, Ollie.
Look, these are cool.
Oh, those are cool.
Brown
Oh,
ones.
Ollie, I like these ones.
They're cool.
It's your ones. Those are cool.
Mama,
They're spending
come
forever
here,
in
come
this
here,
section.
come here.
Ooh, we're about to hit the lighting section.
Yes. Finally.
Run. Do it again. Ollie, do it again so she can see. Gabby. Boy, just abandon the purses. Wait. What?
Oh my God, I love this.
I love the lighting section. Us now that us when there's a lighting section.
Dragonfly.
Unacceptable. Aww. Aww, get that out of your mouth as germs. Aww. Whose dog? What the heck? I didn't know they had stuff like that here.